we've added the ability to easily filter bookings. So if you go into a course, you'll see all your bookings and orders on that course, and you'll be able to filter using this button here. Of course, you can add or remove filters just like so, and you can choose your conditions and your values in here. So if I want to see all the bookings that have been cancelled, I can change this filter just like so. And if it's something that I constantly search for quite frequently, I can save that as a reusable view. So I'm going to save that as a view, and I'm going to give this view a name for cancelled bookings. Update, and there you go. Keep in mind, by default, there's two views created, which is the active bookings and all bookings. All bookings will show everything, and active bookings only the ones that are taking up spaces essentially. So the ones that have been paid or currently awaiting payment. So you can also apply a sorting preference, like the booking date or the amount paid or status within here, and apply that on the view. And keep in mind that once you select the view, that view stays selected as you navigate across and go into other courses. So if you have one applied, keep in mind it might not see the bookings you're looking for. So change to another view to see the bookings. Hopefully you'll enjoy this update, and if you have any feedback, please get in touch using the live chat at the bottom.